Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Build Fix. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how to change your factory warm white interior lights and change them with LED cool white lights. For those of you who are new to this channel, this is the channel where you learn how to save money by doing car things all by yourself. So please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon. Alright, so let's begin and open the cover first. So when you see the cover, there will be a small gap for every cover in the car. So this is the center cover and this one is the front one. This one also have a gap here that you can use to open it with, and we'll use a minus head screwdriver to remove it. And make sure your screwdriver isn't very sharp so that you don't scratch the surface of the plastic. You will see the factory filament bulb inside, so just go ahead and pull it out and remove it. I will use these LED module lights instead of the regular aftermarket LED lights because these are generally used for signages and are quite heavy duty than the aftermarket LED lights. Make sure you get the 12 volts LED modules because your car interior lights are all powered by 12 volts. So let's go ahead and install them. You can either get these adapters for your wiring, or otherwise you can use a piece of wood to imitate the same adapter. Install the LED modules and test if they work, then close the cover. We will repeat the same for the front set of interior lights, and we will go ahead and install the LED module lights. There you go guys, now you have cool white LED car interior lights. Guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you consider to have learned something from these videos, and please leave comments for what you want to see next. Until the next episode, thanks for watching, take care.